10 Things to Know About C#. C# is a modern, object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft. Here are 10 things to know about C#. C# is used for building Windows desktop applications, games, and web applications. This means that C# is a versatile programming language that can be used to build a wide variety of software applications for different platforms and devices. C# is statically typed. This means that C# requires developers to specify variable types in advance, which can help prevent errors and improve code quality. C# is designed to be easy to read and write. This means that C# code is designed to be easy for developers to understand and modify, which can make development faster and more efficient. C# has a large and active community. This means that there are many developers, companies, and organizations using and contributing to the C# programming language, as well as a wide variety of resources and tools available for C# development. C# is closely integrated with Microsoft's .NET framework. This means that C# is designed to work well with other Microsoft technologies, such as Windows and Azure, which can make it a good choice for developers building applications that use these technologies. C# has a strong focus on object-oriented programming principles. This means that C# is designed to help developers organize their code around objects and classes, which can make code easier to understand and maintain over time. C# can be used to build cross-platform applications using .NET Core. This means that C# can be used to build applications that can run on different operating systems, such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. C# is often used in enterprise development. This means that C# is a popular choice for building large-scale software applications for businesses and organizations. C# is used by many popular applications, including Unity and Visual Studio. This means that C# is trusted by some of the largest and most successful software companies in the world, which can help give developers confidence in the language's capabilities and potential. C# can be a good choice for developers who are already familiar with Java or C++. This means that developers who have experience with these languages may find it easier to learn and use C# effectively. We hope you have enjoyed this brief overview of C#. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this.